Have you ever started day trading in the morning session and you just cannot get on the right side of the markets? The markets are going up and you're looking to go short and vice versa. And you feel like you're just not with it. Well, that's exactly how I felt today. I left so much money on the table with the German DAX today, Monday morning, that I just sort of gave up towards the end, that I'm just not feeling it today. And look, even though my philosophy of a trader is to be automated myself, trade like a robot myself, when the signal sets up, just take the trade. Okay, as you know, I want to be doing that, but today it just wasn't happening. Okay, so we got away with it today a bit, guys. We ended up today's session £509.80. Now that is the baseline minimum requirement for my day's money. Okay, I want to make 500 minimum. Now I left a couple of thousand, if not 3,000, on the table today with this move up here. Sell signals after sell signals to the downside. I'm thinking this is going to drop dramatically on the German DAX and have a big sell-off first thing Monday. No, we got news out at 12 midday from Germany, and then this market just went into a new green buy signal. We pushed here, green buy signal. We did not turn. The tracks were green. All three tracks were green. We did not turn red until all the way up here. And this is a big move for me, guys. This would have been a very nice profitable day and a nice profitable trade to start the week off, but I wasn't on it. I wasn't on that train when it left the station. And the worst thing, I suppose, is that I don't go chasing. Now, if I miss the move, then I buy the pullback. Okay, I buy the pullback to the tracks. I just didn't do it today. I just wasn't with it at all. And I suppose I go back to my professional football days when I was performing on the pitch, and I didn't play every game well. But we may well have won that game. Okay, you don't always have to play well to win games, but with trading, it's just you and the market, and so you've got to, work even harder to perform in a way. All right, so most days it's relatively straightforward and easy to trade the signals, trade the colors, and I'm sat here looking at these colors thinking, this is just a buy signal. It's just going without me. All right. And when you've got days like that, just stop, walk away. Don't do anything silly. Don't blow the trading account. It's just one day. All you got to do is just keep adding little bits to the account. Just top it up, guys. Not every day is a big winning profitable day. Not every day you're going to hit your targets. So even if your goal for the day is £200, okay, and you made £75 today, just top the account up. Top the account up, because if you do something really bad today, like blow the account, scale into losing trades, you're going to remember that for the rest of the week. But if you've just added £75 or $75 to the account, then at least you're just adding, and you won't remember that tomorrow. It's not a big loser, okay, but you'll remember it if it's a big losing day. And then that's where you start to chase back for the rest of the week. So just take a moment to just see what state of mind you're in as you're trading that on the session, and just think, are you ready? Have you got everything prepared? Are you mentally ready? Have you slept well? Do you know what you're doing here? Because that impacts output, okay? And then if you have a bad losing day and you don't feel great, it's going to be an absolute nightmare for the rest of the day for yourself, okay? So always checking yourself, always checking yourself. It's easy after the event. You look back after the event, you say, why don't I just buy here, sell there, buy there, sell there. Short here, on which I did take these shorts, these ones here. And then why didn't I just buy there and just sell there, and buy there and just sell there? But when it's happening live and you're doing it and you're not on it, then you're thinking this thing's going to collapse here at any moment, then you're sort of not in the right headspace, okay? So always get prepared to the best of your ability, guys. Hope it helps. Hope my learnings today have helped you. If you've got anything out of that, put a comment in down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is growing tremendously well. Thank you so much for everyone that has subscribed to the channel. A lot of psychology coming down the road as well. Look, the strategies are relatively straightforward. They're all color method strategies. The mindset and the trading psychology is the key. All right. Hope it helps. Speak to you soon.